In this video, we'll show you how to navigate and understand your 365pay account balance on the merchant portal. Let's begin. To access your account balance details, ensure that the portal role assigned to your account must have the finance and payout history permissions enabled. To view your 365pay balance overview, log into the merchant portal. If you handle multiple restaurants, ensure that you're viewing the correct one. Click on Reporting, then Finance. Select Balance Overview. In this overview, you can find the sections Current Balance Summary and Payout Summary. The Current Balance Summary section provides key details about the account's present fund balance, including current balance, the total amount of funds currently held by Adyen. Pending, which includes transactions that have not yet reached their settlement cycle period. For example, transactions from earlier this week. The system captures these transactions at midnight daily, so transactions from the current day may not be included in this amount yet. Next payout, the projected amount of your upcoming payout, including transactions that have completed the settlement cycle. The colored bar shows the current progress of the payout. Reserved, account funds typically held to cover potential refunds or chargebacks. This ensures sufficient funds are available to handle future adjustments or disputes. When a payout is triggered, a portion of your current balance may be held in reserve. This reserved amount is carried forward to your next payout and is not immediately transferred to your bank account. Next, the Payout Summary section outlines the key details of your payout schedule, including settlement cycle, the number of business days it takes for a payout to be sent after a transaction. Typically, this is T+3, which means the payout for the transaction will be 3 business days after processing. Payout frequency, the frequency of your payouts, for example, daily. Trigger amount, the minimum balance required to trigger a payout. If your balance doesn't meet this threshold, a payout will not be sent, even if you meet the settlement cycle and payout frequency requirements. The colored indicator lets you know whether it has reached the target amount. Next payout date, the expected date of your next payout, assuming the trigger amount is met. You can now refer to the balance overview to track your current 365pay balance.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content that helps you make the most of our services.